Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. As we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news financial markets in a risk-on mood today. First, the US April inflation rate brought no surprises, coming in as expected at 3.4%, a dip, albeit a small one, from March's 3.5%. But it still qualifies as sticky. There have been 9 lower readings in the past 12 months. And the apparent slowing of inflation is bringing debate and market bets on when the Fed will cut its policy interest rates. The Fed itself is tempering expectations, but markets aren't waiting. Yields on US benchmark bonds are falling in secondary markets, equity prices are rising in anticipation and to record highs, and the US dollar is weakening in a risk-on mood that envelops markets today. Indian exports fell sharply in April from March and were only 0.8% higher than a year ago. Presently, India is not a powerhouse exporter or participant in global trade. April merchandise trade exports of only $35 billion in the month is barely more than Australia's. And the EU delivered some better economic results overnight, with the March quarter economic activity expanding. GDP was 0.4% higher in the quarter than the same quarter a year ago, real. Although they may seem low to us, they are good for them in the current circumstances. In Australia, the rate of gain in their wage pays slipped to 4.1% in the March quarter. That's the first time that gain rate has fallen since the fourth quarter of 2020, and it may suggest labour market pressures are starting to ease there. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.36% and down 9 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will start today up another $34 at $2,389 an ounce, a move essentially driven by the falling greenback. That same move has boosted oil prices today, which are up 50 US cents to just on $78 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now at $82.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today with a broad-based across-the-board rise, up almost a full cent from yesterday at just on 61.3 US cents, and its highest level in 11 weeks. Against the Aussie, we're up at 91.5 Australian cents and a 1-month high. Against the euro, we're a half a cent higher at 56.3 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 70.2 and up 60 basis points from yesterday, and its highest since mid-March. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.